Hello, I want to tell you about muscle. The main muscle in our body is heart. Humans' life depends on it. The strongest muscle is chewing muscle. Also, one of the strongest muscles is our tongue. You can speak or to it as long as you want, because the more tongue muscle is the most flexible. All we know that the majority of people want to have a great body. Go to the gym and train your muscle. For instance, if your hands training regularly, you would never lose a weight. I can tell you so many stories about muscle, but I have to go. Good luck and say hello to your muscle.